It's still hard to accurately diagnose new cases of the polio-like disease called acute flaccid myelitis, or AFM. AFM affects the spinal cord and can cause limb weakness or paralysis. The CDC found most patients showed signs of mild respiratory illness or fever before they were diagnosed with AFM, but officials still can't point to specific pathogens that cause it. Some patients didn't appear to carry any to begin with.
What's made this really tricky is that we haven't found one particular virus that this condition seems to be associated with. In the 1950s, it was poliovirus that seemed to contribute to all of those cases, but there's been several different kinds of enteroviruses that have been reported to be associated with it. When you don't find a single pathogen that's associated with the condition, it's very hard to determine the cause.
By December of 2018, health departments across the U.S. had reported 299 possible cases of AFM. The CDC confirmed 134 cases across 33 states. Dr. Larry Kosiolek is an infectious disease specialist at Lurie Children's Hospital. He worries that there may have been both over and under diagnosing and says it's unlikely a state would have 0 cases.
AFM can mimic a lot of other neurologic conditions, and it can be very difficult for a pediatrician or a family practice doctor or an internist, and even sometimes specialists to distinguish. And so first, I think we need to increase awareness not only among clinicians but also among families of the warning signs. If every time you send a test, that test is positive, then you're not sending it enough because you're probably missing some cases. So it's important to refer all suspect cases for those kids to be evaluated.
Studies show misdiagnosing is a problem too, since AFM has similar symptoms to other neurological disorders, including weakness and neck, arm, or leg pain. One thing the CDC can say for sure, the flare-up of cases from the summer and fall followed a pattern. The number of confirmed AFM cases has spiked every 2 years since 2014.